Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Force 1 pink bag. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Air Force 1 pink bag shoes, and this pair is in the UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in the pink foam, rose mousse colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back and lift out the bag. So there is a shopping bag with a "Have a nice day" smiley with a Nike swoosh smile on it. It does have a really soft satin velvety texture to it. Okay, I'm going to set the bag to the side and lift up the box lid to reveal the contents inside once again, and peel up the packing paper, and let's lift out the Nike Air Force 1 pink bag. And now just setting the box right down. And of course bringing the shoes in view. So right there is the Nike Air Force 1 pink bag in the pink foam, rose mousse colorway. Now let's take a close-up look at the left shoe first. So giving you a close-up look at the Nike Air Force 1 pink bag. So taking an all-on look at the shoe. So you can see the light pink coloring to the upper cover and white for the outsole or bottom of the shoe. And it does have those striking red accents, as you can see right there, with the Nike Air accented with a rose stem design, and doing a 360 rotation, so you have a nice full view of the Nike Air Force 1 pink bag. And let's take a close-up look from the front or toe of the shoe towards the back. So you can see the nubby starred design towards the bottom tip of the shoe, and moving right along the front and toe box all the way to the back of the shoe. We can see a small embroidered Nike swoosh, and of course the pink traditional lacing. And as we move towards the tongue, we can see there is a repetitive Nike swoosh design with an outline red and of course a solid red styling. And moving towards the back or heel of the shoe and taking a look inside, let's remove the stuffing from the shoe. And take a look at the inside details. So the tongue, you can see, does have a textured stitch design with some box-like or square-like stitching. And taking a look around the ankle collar, you can see that it is thickly padded right round the ankle as well as the heel area. And inside there is a smiley which is covered by the inside material label sticker. It does a "Have a nice day" slogan to it. And taking a look around the back to give you some idea of the shape of the Nike Air Force One pink bag. You can see that it does have a very straight design, and with the Nike Air embroidered on the heel clip. Taking a look on the inside side of the Nike Air Force One pink bag, we can see that the rose stem does wrap around the heel of the shoe. And we can see that it does have a very, very fine grain leather upper cover to the shoe, and consistent with the pink foam design. And now taking a look at the sole of the shoe, you can see two concentric circle patterns around the forefoot and heel of the shoe. And of course, a Nike logo around the midfoot area. And taking a look once again further out to give you a better sense of scale and perspective of this Nike Air Force One pink bag in a UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44. And now let's do a flex and bend test with my hands to give you some idea of the pliancy or stiffness of the shoe. So you can see that it is very rigid in construction. And of course it does have the Nike Air Unit cushioning in the sole. Okay, now let's take a look at the right shoe side, and just setting the left shoe down. And once again we see the pink foam, rose mousse colorway. And the same styling and details with the Nike Air rose stem right around the heel area. And taking a look top down at the details. And this time round, looking inside the shoe, we have a full clear view of the Nike Have a Nice Day pink bag slogan and design on the sock liner or insole, as you can see right there, showing you as best I can, with that Nike smiley with the swoosh smile or mouth. And taking a look at the pair together. And side by side, from the front to the back. and the sole as well. So that's Nike Air Force One pink bag. Thanks for watching and happy walking.